Good morning, children. Today let us learn about division of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. Division of a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000 can be performed by moving the decimal point to the left by as many places as the number of zeros in the divisor. Okay. Children, here the divisors are 10, 100 and 1000. So, we should shift the decimal point to the left side by as many places as the number of zeros in the divisor. Let me explain this, children. In these examples, 752.3 divided by 10. Here our divisor is 10. So, we should change the place of decimal one place to the left. So, this is the position of the decimal. Change it to one place to the left. So, our answer is 75.23. If we are dividing the same number by 100, change the place to two places. Change the decimal point to two places to the left side. So, it will come here 7.523. Okay. Next is 752.3 divided by 1000. In 1000 there are 3 zeros. So, change the position of the decimal from here to this side. That is 1, 2, 3. Shift to 3 places to the left side. So, our answer is 0.7523. Okay. Let us do more examples, children. Our next question is 17.1 divided by 10. 17.1 divided by 10. This is the position of the decimal. Since we are dividing by 10, change the position of the decimal one place to the left. So, it will come here. So, our answer is 1.71. 1.71 is our answer. Okay. Next question, 42.08 divided by 10. 42.08 divided by 10. 10 means change the place, one place to the left, one place. So, the decimal will come here. So, our answer is 4.208. Okay. Our next question is 2.1 divided by 2.1 divided by 100. So, in 100 there are 2 zeros. So, you should shift the decimal 2 places to the left, one place. Children, since we are dividing by 100, we should shift the decimal 2 places to the left. We need one more place also. So, put a 0 here. So, our answer becomes 0.021. This is our answer. 0.021. Let me explain this, children. 2.1 divided by 100. 100 means shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. 2 places. Okay. So, this is the first place. We need one more place also. So, on the left side there is no place. So, put a 0 here. Okay. So, our answer is 0.021. Before 0 we have to put a decimal. Okay. So, 0.021 21 is our answer. Next question is 73.3 divided by 100. Okay. 73.3 divided by 100. 100 means shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. 2 places. 1, 2. So the decimal will come here. So it is our answer 0.733. Okay. 0.733 is our answer. Before the decimal, we have to put a 0. Write 0 first, then decimal, then the given number. Okay. Our next example is 81.6 divided by 1000. 81.6 divided by 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. So you should shift the decimal 3 places to the left side. 1, 2. In our question, there is only 2 places. We need one more place also. So put a 0 here. Okay, so our answer is 0.0816. Okay, this is the initial position of the decimal. Since we are dividing by 1000, we have to shift it 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3. 0.0816 is our answer. Okay. Next question is 984.72 divided by 1000. 984.72 divided by 1000. So children, this is the position of the decimal. 1 place, 2 place, 3 places. So the decimal will come here. So our answer is 0.98472. Okay. Let us do more examples, children. 7.5 divided by 10. This is the position of decimal. Division by 10 means shift 1 place to the left side. Shift the decimal point 1 place to the left side. So our answer is 0.75. Okay. Suppose we are dividing the same number by 100. By 100 means shift the decimal 2 places to the left side. 2 places. Because in 100 there are 2 zeros. So from here 1 place, we need one more place also. Okay, since there is no digit in this place, put a 0. So our answer becomes 0.075. 0.075. Okay. So children, here we observe that the number of places in the whole number part is less. Then put the required number of zeros to the left of the whole number part. Okay. Then shift the decimal point. Here we need, in this question, we need one more place also. So we need one more 0. One place is 7. We know we need one more place. So put a 0 in that place. Okay. So our answer is 0.075. Okay. Next is 8.3 divided by 10. 1 place to the left. So 0.83. Shift decimal 1 place to the left. Okay. Next is 76 divided by, sorry children, 0.76 divided by 100. 0.76 divided by 100. So children, here this is the position of the decimal. So we are shifting the decimal 2 places to the left side. So from here 1, 2. Okay. Here there is no digit in this place. So put a 0. So our answer becomes 0.0076. Okay. Shift the decimal 2 places to the left. So from here 1, 2. In our question there is only one place. So put a 0 in the second place. This is our answer. 0.76 divided by 1000. Divided by 1000. Divided by 1000 means shift the decimal point 3 places to the left side. 3 places. So our question is 0.76. So 1 place. To second place put a 0. Since there is no place, no digit, sorry children, then we need one more place also, third place. So our answer is 0.00076. 0.00076 is our answer. Okay. So children, this is the position of the decimal. Shift it 3 places to the left side. Since there are no places in the left side, put 3 zeros. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So children, division of a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000 can be performed by moving the decimal point to the left by as many places as the number of zeros in the divisor. If you are dividing by 10, shift the decimal point 1 places to the left side. If you are dividing by 100, shift the decimal point 2 places to the left side. If we are dividing by 1000, shift the decimal point 3 places to the left side. Okay. If there is no place in the left side, put the required number of zeros. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you children.